getting swamped with videos to shoot. The thing is, trying to figure out what my color profile will be, because the thing is, I'll try to fix out my new videos to come up. But as of now, I'm still confused what picture profile. Yeah, and today's been a bit of warm, cold day. It's warm because the sun's out there, but it's also a cold day. It nearly fell. Shit. Anyway, it's windy. Talk to you later. Hi fellas, it's been a while. Oh shit. It's been a while I've been into this road here. It's kind of noisy. So yeah, I'm just making this quick vlog right now to tell you of the updates. Here are my updates. Incoming updates, yeah. I've been uploading a lot of my Queensland trip videos and like my series, so that's nice. Yeah, I think that's nice. So first update is that I've been updating my Queensland 2018 road trip series. And sorry about the wind, it's still so windy out here. I'm gonna finish it up. I've started putting up my Queensland trip series up on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So stay tuned for that. Check it out. Message, comment, tell me about it. Tell me what's funny and what's not funny and what's wrong. Also, I'm nearly done with my Adelaide series because I've just did it for a few days, so I've been editing it proactively. So comment on that one also. Yeah. Another update that I have is I'm upping this. Whoa, that's supposed to be. I'm upping this new playlist or new channel, or no, not new channel, new series wherein I call it. What do I call it? Deep dives. So it deals with what's deeply in my head and the strangest things that I think about, the thoughts in my head. So I'm gonna be sharing that in the most weird, not so me way. So that's the deep dives. Because I've been thinking, there's a lot of things in my head and I can't just get it out. It's like stuck there and I don't know how to express them. So those deep dives will give you a few minutes of me talking about the shitty things that I'm thinking and I'm feeling. So that'll be cool. Hope you like it. And the last thing is that I've been enjoying how to vlog. So yeah, you're gonna get more vlogs soon. Where's my car? Shit, where's my car? And the last thing is I've been enjoying how to vlog and edit and upload them. So you'll be hearing a lot from me, a lot of me. Yeah. So that's nice for me, I think. Yeah. I just passed by the car twice or thrice, or I don't know how many. Shit, it's not focused. Okay, I'm finally in the car right now. So this is a random vlog out of nowhere, and I still have backlogs of previous dates. I want to post them in order, but that's not possible. We all know that. But yeah, the thing is, I've been enjoying the vlogs that I've been putting in lately, and even though some people are just watching it, I'm just trying to figure out how to get your guys' attention. But anyway, yeah, if you like my vlogs, please do hit the like button. If you have anything in mind, please do comment on the comment section, and please subscribe on my YouTube if you can, if you like it, only if you like it. Anyway, I need to go somewhere now, and yeah, that's a quick vlog for today. So yeah, that's it.